Oh, hi, this is a video on YouTube. Happy Hour. My name is Will Amber, and this this baby bird with two in the streets. And, well, that was found in the street over there probably. And, was like just laying there. Car almost went over, but he helped us. And I helped a little bit and tried to what's somewhere else? Can't find the others. Maybe it's over there. If I can find them. There's baby birds everywhere. And, mother. Yep. About its mother. Don't find its mother. It won't be able to live. Got pieces of bread and just got the bird. But, good luck. Did you hear that? It's okay. We'll find your mom. And maybe she's on the freaking roof. But it's okay. You don't know how to fly. That's good. Just don't go on ahead. Oh, okay. Let me just tell you. I'll see you later. I promise to stick around.